Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm gonna talk about this digital thermometer, food thermometer, purposefully for the food thermometer. Its model number is TP300 and that's how it looks in this packaging. On the back side it's written all the details. It is useful for the drink, milk, coffee, food and barbecue and baking as well. So it is a range of the temperature is minus 50 Celsius to 300 Celsius, and all the things are already mentioned here. So we have to unbox it. This is how it looks in this plastic body. You can see all the details are mentioned over here as well. On the back side we have the battery. We can open it up very easily by the nail only or screwdriver if you want. So this is how the cap out, and that's how you can close it back. On the front we have three buttons: on off, Celsius, Fahrenheit and hold. So if we press the on off button it will turn on and then turn off, and after that we have Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if you want to measure on Celsius, if you want to measure on Fahrenheit, you press this button, it will turn the reading as well. So it is showing the live reading over here. The whole probe of the sensor works perfectly. So if I hold it from this part, it's not doing much, but if I hold it from this tip, which is needle type of tip, so if I hold this part, it will show rapid movement of the temperature. So now it is measuring my body temperature, which is 88, and if I hold it, it will stop at that and it will show hold. So if we are using it in a hard to reach places like in a deep pan, so we can place it and press the hold button and take it out and check. So if we press the hold button back, it will show again the live reading. So right now I have two glasses. This is warm and this is cold water, and we are going to check the temperature. As soon as I place it into the cold water, it is decreasing the temperature. So it will take some time to measure the exact temperature, like 1 minute or 2 minutes, until it reaches its final temperature sensing. It will not shoot quickly to the exact temperature. It will take some time. So around, like, we can give it like 20 seconds or 30 seconds to measure. So right now it is 58.1 Fahrenheit, and on the Celsius it is 14.6. Now we are going to place it into the warm water, and it's increasing rapidly onto the Celsius, and if we press the Fahrenheit, it's increasing. So if I hold, now I can check it. Now it is showing the live temperature. So that's how the food thermometer works. It can use at a lot of places other than food as well. So if you like this unboxing and information, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.